Bob Dylan, born Robert Allen Zimmerman on May 24, 1941, in Duluth, Minnesota, is an American singer-songwriter, poet, and cultural icon whose work has profoundly influenced popular music and culture for over 6 decades. Known for his poetic lyrics, distinctive voice, and artistic reinvention, Dylan's impact stretches far beyond music, making him one of the most important figures in modern artistic history. Dylan grew up in Hibbing, Minnesota, where he developed a deep passion for music, especially folk, blues, and rock and roll. Inspired by artists like Woody Guthrie and Hank Williams, he began performing under the name Bob Dylan, a tribute to the poet Dylan Thomas. In 1961, he moved to New York City and quickly became part of the Greenwich Village folk scene, captivating audiences with his raw voice and thought-provoking songs. His self-titled debut album was released in 1962, but it was his second album, The Freewheelin' Bob Dylan, 1963, that made a significant impact. The record featured enduring anthems such as Blowin' in the Wind and A Hard Rain's a Gonna Fall, songs that became closely associated with the civil rights and anti-war movements. Dylan's lyrics, blending political insight with poetic elegance, gave voice to a generation yearning for change. Throughout the 1960s, Dylan's musical style evolved dramatically. He shocked the folk world by going electric at the 1965 Newport Folk Festival, signaling a new phase in his artistry. Albums like Highway 61 Revisited, 1965, and Blonde on Blonde, 1966, showcased a rock-influenced sound with surreal, visionary lyrics, including the timeless Like a Rolling Stone. A near-fatal motorcycle accident in 1966 led Dylan to retreat from the public eye for a time, during which he explored different musical genres, including country, gospel, and Americana. Albums such as John Wesley Harding and Nashville Skyline displayed his versatility and refusal to be confined to one genre. Dylan's career experienced several reinventions. In the 1970s, he returned to political and personal themes with albums like Blood on the Tracks, widely considered one of his masterpieces. In the 1980s and 1990s, he continued touring relentlessly. His never-ending tour began in 1988 and has lasted decades, solidifying his reputation as a tireless performer. Bob Dylan has received countless accolades, Grammy Awards, a Golden Globe, an Academy Award, and a Pulitzer Prize special citation. In 2016, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature for having created new poetic expressions within the great American song tradition, marking an unprecedented recognition of songwriting as literature. Beyond his music, Dylan is also a painter, author, and enigmatic public figure who has consistently challenged expectations. His songs continue to resonate with listeners of all generations, offering insight, inspiration, and a reflection of the human condition. Bob Dylan's legacy is one of constant evolution, fearless creativity, and a refusal to compromise. He remains a symbol of artistic integrity and continues to shape the cultural landscape, proving that the power of words and music can indeed change the world.